If your affiliate income disappears every time your views drop, you don't have a business, you have a gamble. The algorithm economy rewards attention, not ownership. I have helped literally thousands of creators, and I've noticed a common theme. The ones that are successful because of systems, not because of virality or sponsorship. And in this video, I'm going to reveal 7 affiliate programs that will help you build predictable income. Now, these affiliate programs will help you build leverage and not have to chase virality or simply views. Hi, my name is Alston Godbold, and if you're new here, welcome. I have helped literally thousands of people start an online business, and today I'm going to help you out. First, let's go ahead and get into these different affiliate programs, why I think they're best for you, and how to get started. Now, the amount of money that you're going to make is probably going to be a little short, a little on the smaller end at the very beginning. But because of the affiliate programs that we're going to talk about in this video, the more you keep working, the more you keep creating content, the more money that you can make over the longer period of time. The one thing that I think I want you to understand and realize is that a lot of these programs, most of these programs offer reoccurring income. They allow you to make money off of one customer. Whereas other affiliate programs out there like Amazon, you have to keep getting that customer to come back and keep clicking on your affiliate link. But with reoccurring affiliate programs, if they buy from you once, you can get paid month after month, year after year, as long as they remain a customer, which is better because you don't have to keep finding new and creative ways to bring that person back. Now, that's not to say that you can't bring that person back in different ways, but I think these are better in the long term. So let's go ahead and get into the first one. The first one is System.io. And if you're not familiar, System.io is a software where it offers marketing. It offers landing pages. It offers email marketing. It's really good for content creators. It's good really for anybody that wants to start an online business. You can sell digital products through it. What I really like about it is it pays up to 60% reoccurring commissions for life. So you bring in a person once, and as long as they're getting results from the affiliate program, they're going to keep making money. And what's really cool about this is that you can make literally thousands of dollars from just bringing in one customer because they'll keep coming back as long as they're finding success and able to use the product and service. And then you don't have to go out and hustle and try and get that person to come back. In addition, you can offer additional help. One of the biggest things that you can do as an affiliate is offer bonuses. You can offer like coaching, things of that nature to make sure that the people are getting the value that they need, your customers getting the value that they need so that you can continuously make money. I know that requires a little bit more of your time. However, if you want to make reoccurring income for weeks, months, and even years later, that's a little thing that you can do once every few months. That's number one. Number two, which I really like and it's relatively new, is actually School. And if you're not familiar, School is an online course membership community that is really new. And what's really cool about School is you don't have to work particularly hard to get people to join. You don't have to work hard to get people to sign up under your name. You get lifetime reoccurring commissions. What I really like about School and why so many people gravitated to it in the beginning was the way that the affiliate program is set up. You don't have to even get them to buy anything. If you get them to join your free School community, their name is linked to your account. And so if they ever decided to start their own community, you could potentially earn affiliate commissions that way. So think about that for a second. A lot of what affiliate marketing is trying to get people to buy stuff, convince them that the product and service that you're pushing or selling is right for them. With School, on the other hand, you simply will invite them over to your community. You can show them how School works. You can go the other route, and I'll tell you how I promoted School and earned some affiliate commissions. You can go the other route where you are actually talking about School and promoting School, but simply bringing people into your community. Hey, join my free School group. And you can earn affiliate commissions down the line because they have what's called a lifetime affiliate cookie. One of the ways that I promoted School was simply creating content talking about people that have had success. For example, one of my most popular videos on a different YouTube channel was like how Evelyn Weiss made $60,000 per month with her school community. And I simply just talked about what she did. I talked about the free traffic method that she used. I talked about the paid ads that she used, how she was genuinely helpful, helping people solve the problems that they have. And then I said, if you want to create your own school community, click the link down below. You'll get a 14-day free trial. And then I offered a bonus as well. I'll help you set up your school community, whatever it is. But that's a really simple way. Another thing that you can do is you tell people, hey, if you use my affiliate link to start school, I'll give you all the templates that you need. So like when you're creating courses, you can do like images, you can do mock-ups, you can give all of that as a bonus and people will click and buy because you're offering something that isn't available. But I really like school because, like I said, it's one of those things where it's almost like CPA affiliate marketing, cost per acquisition affiliate marketing, or cost per action, where you don't have to actually sell anything and they have a 14-day free trial. Let's say you are a gamer, you're in the gaming niche, you get people to sign up through your community, and then you encourage them to start their own communities. And once they become a paying customer, boom, you start making money. But that is number 2. School is one of my favorite. Number 3 is one that is near and dear to my heart, and it's G-Bolt Systems. G-Bolt Systems is my affiliate program, and what I really like about it, other than it's mine, is that I actually offer a 2-tier commission structure. So you get 40% commission on anybody that you bring in and they start. Our plans start as low as $9 per month and they go up to $37 per month. So you would get 40% commission on, let's say, $9, which is going to be, $4, we'll round up. But you also get an additional 5% commission on the second tier. So anyone else, so you bring in John, right? You get 40% for John when they get started. But then John brings in Frank and Jane, Jamie, and whomever. You earn 5% off of that, each one of those people, and then the person that you brought in directly would earn 40% there. And so you do some work once, and as long as the person remains a customer, you get paid month after month, year after year, and that person below you is working for you. Now, if you don't know, G-Bolt Systems is a complete marketing software. It allows you to actually upload content. You can start a website, you can create sales pages, you can do email marketing, you can build automations and tools. It's a complete all-in-one marketing software. You can collect payments, there's a calendar embedded as well. It allows you to do everything. And obviously it's mine, and in full transparency, it is a white label version of Go High Level. Go High Level starts at like $297 per month. However, like I said, you can join mine for just $17 per month, which I think is a pretty good value. I'll leave a link down in the description to all of these so that you can get started. But after G-Bolt Systems, ConvertKit. If you notice, hopefully you notice there's a common theme. Software is really powerful for affiliate marketing, and there's a few reasons. One, with software, the overhead isn't a lot. Right? It's mostly automated. It's mostly with software as a service, the costs are pretty close to being fixed. It's not like physical products or even coaching where there's a higher requirement of overhead or things that have to get done. But software, what's really cool is if people are getting value out of it, they'll pay you for months, weeks, and years to come. And you only have to do the work once. But with ConvertKit, you can earn up to a 30% reoccurring commission, again, month after month, by just bringing in people once. And with ConvertKit, it is an email marketing software. It's primarily what I've used it for in the past. Of course, they've added in other features, but for the most part, a lot of people know ConvertKit because of the email marketing. And essentially what you do is you can build out landing pages, you can build out different automations, and you can segment your email list. And basically what that means is you can separate your email list out by buyers, you can separate your email list out by people that have not engaged with your content or engaged with your emails, opened your emails over an extended period of time. ConvertKit is one of the trusted and most used email marketing softwares out there, especially by online businesses and content creators. Now, if you're thinking, how am I going to market this? You simply can talk to a specific group of people. You can talk to content creators. You can talk to YouTubers. Think about the problems that these different softwares solve. For example, let's say you're a YouTuber, right? If I was trying to market these, my niche, or who I like to talk to, are people that are trying to create content, trying to start a YouTube channel and monetize. But one of the most important things that you need is I believe you need to be able to have a better way of communicating and reaching out to your target audience. Because the algorithm changes, because you can be kicked off of the platform, it's very important that you have more control. And the best way to have control is with systems. And everything that I've listed so far allow you to build out systems where a lot of it is automated. Okay. The next one that I really like is the TubeBuddy affiliate program. And with the TubeBuddy affiliate program, you can help people that want to get started with YouTube. And if you're not familiar, I use TubeBuddy pretty frequently. TubeBuddy will make suggestions based on your content. TubeBuddy will also help you out with comparing your content versus your niche. It'll help you do keyword research. It'll let you know, it'll give you a pretty good idea of the best types of videos to make. And it's reoccurring. Now, they do have a lower level, than they have more expensive versions out there. But again, I really like reoccurring income. And if you're thinking about who's going to use this, anybody that wants to start a YouTube channel has heard of TubeBuddy before. What I would do, and TubeBuddy even has additional features that not a lot of people talk about, but what I would do is I would offer monthly trainings for people that want to sign up or have signed up for TubeBuddy using your name, showing them different features, because a lot of people aren't aware of all of the features that are included with TubeBuddy. So one of the most important things that you should do if you're getting into affiliate marketing is offer some sort of bonus, because that we know that not all products are perfect. If you can offer a bonus, or a way to incentivize them to use your link versus somebody else's link, you will increase the chances of someone buying. However, I do want to say there's a fine line. What some people do is they will offer crazy amount of bonuses that often cost more than the thing that they're buying. I've seen in the past where, let's say you're selling a $17 product and you'll offer $10,000 in bonuses. People will say, well, is the product that good if you need to prop it up with that many bonuses? So be realistic. Offer, what people really like is your time. So if you're thinking about bonuses, offer coaching. That actually worked out really well for me. Offer like online workshops once a quarter. And you could even say, hey, look, if you want, I got a special group chat. Just DM me if you have questions. You can throw that out there and people won't actually use it, which is really, really interesting. Just the feeling of knowing that someone is there to help them goes a long way. Number 6 is one that's kind of off the beaten path, but it's Envato Elements. And Envato Elements does a lot. Inside of Envato Elements, we've got Video Hive, we've got Theme Forest. And let me just back up and explain. With Theme Forest, you can actually buy WordPress themes or software, right? And you can target people that want to start a side hustle or freelancer. And if you don't know, WordPress is like the foundation or the core of your website. It's like the bones. But then Theme Forest or WordPress themes are how you change the look and feel of it. You make it look a little bit different. And so what I used to do, I used to use Envato Elements when I did freelancing work for clients, and I would build out 5-page WordPress websites. If they were if they worked as like a plumber, for example, or a church, I would go over to Envato Elements, Theme Forest, which is under Envato Elements, and I would find a church WordPress theme. I'd buy it, download it, and then upload it right into their website, and it would save me a ton of time. It would only take me like 3 hours to build out a website. But you can use this if you are targeting course creators, if you're targeting people that want to start an online business. Like I said, they've got Video Hive. Video Hive allows you to download B-roll, the motion graphics that slide across the screen. You can actually get those from Video Hive as well. And what's really cool about Envato Elements is that it offers reoccurring income on subscription. So they have a subscription package, Envato does, where you can get unlimited downloads of certain types of software, and you can change the way. In fact, maybe if I remember here, I'll put a bunch of stuff on the screen to show you exactly what I'm talking about. But all of that stuff, like the motion graphics, the text on the screen, even music, you can get from Envato Elements, and it enhances, or supposed to enhance, your content. But it says here you can get paid up to 30% commission. One thing that I will not cover, and maybe cover in a future video, is how to get accepted by these affiliate programs. That's usually a frustration that some people have, but I think there's a tried and true method that that will work. And comment down below if you want a video like that, and I'll create a video just for you. And number 7 is Hostinger. Now, if you don't know, Hostinger is a web hosting platform. So everyone that has a website, it has to be hosted somewhere. It has to sit somewhere on the internet. And there's companies like Hostinger, Bluehost, GoDaddy. There's all sorts of them. I used to actually have a web hosting company myself. It was called Rebolt Web Services. And so with these companies, Hostinger has servers that they have all over the internet in data centers, and people, consumers like you and I, will put our website inside of those servers, and those servers are connected to the internet. So that's how people in like Bangladesh can come to my website, alstongodbolt.com, and look. And so what's really cool is that Hostinger will pay you up to $120 per sale. And so unfortunately, this is just a one-time commission. But what's really cool about this is, once again, everybody needs a website. You can target small business owners. You could actually include some of this inside of other features and benefits. But there's a wide group of people. Even if you are working a 9-to-5 and you want to apply for new jobs, people that are applying for new jobs, the best way to show off your knowledge, skills, and experience is not with LinkedIn. It's to have your own website and have a portfolio, an online portfolio that you can control. One of the cool things about having your own website is it can't be taken from you. LinkedIn can be shut down. YouTube can be shut down. All these social media platforms can just be turned off and shut down. However, when you have your own website, and that's how I would sell it, when you have your own website, it can't be taken away from you, right? So these are the 7 different affiliate programs that I think are great to get started. Especially if you are a content creator, if you're talking to other content creators. But what's most important is I want you to try and shift away from physical products. Physical products will allow you a one-time sale. Oftentimes with physical products, you don't know who's buying from you, and so you've got to figure that out. But pro tip, make sure that you are offering bonuses that are relevant, that aren't over the top, but they'll help you stand out. Just a personal note, 2 things. 1, obviously, if you are part of the 19-Minute Club, comment 19-Minute Club. Comment your favorite affiliate program. I'd be interested to hear which programs you rely on. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, let me know that too. But I think the best way to do affiliate marketing is to create content to attract people to you. Obviously, that's not going to change. If you're starting off with affiliate marketing, you want to create a lead magnet, but preferably, I'd want you to sell a digital product and then include affiliate links inside of your digital product, or include affiliate links inside of your email marketing. That way, you have your customer's name and email, which is most important. You have data, and then you can keep offering them affiliate opportunities or different products that they need. In fact, what I'd recommend that you do is make a list of 10 or 12 relevant affiliate products and services that they need, and create a little story about why they need them, and that'll increase the chances of them buying. But most importantly, comment 19-Minute Club if you stayed into the end, and watch this video next if you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel without worrying about AdSense or going viral.